To be able to succeed, there are decisions you must make. There are countless decisions we have made in our life, but in this video we will discuss 3 important decisions you must make to be able to succeed in your life. But first, you have to build self-discipline, which will guide you on your decision, or which will help you to work out on your decision. By the way, I have a video in the description box which I guide you on how to build self-discipline. You can check that one out in the description box. But let's not waste any more time here. Let's get into the video. Now, just very quick, if you find this video helpful and valuable, we have similar videos on our channel, so kindly subscribe. Now, let's start with number 3. Decide you will learn all you can about entrepreneurship and how money works. This can be one of the best decisions you can ever make in this life. This is because during 1970s and 1990s, entrepreneurship weren't much valuable, probably because there were good jobs which were on demand for everyone, which paid pretty good. So, during those times, it would have had no sense getting into business world while jobs await you. But this time, entrepreneurship has become the most lucrative job ever. For you to succeed, make sure you learn anything you can about entrepreneurship. After being well educated on entrepreneurship, you have to learn how money works. Warren Buffett once said, if you don't learn on how to let your money work for you, you will work for money until you die, and this is not what we need. The fact is, school does not teach you on how to make or manage your money, but how to be employed and be slave to someone, as Steve Curry called in his book 13 Secrets. School did not teach you about how to be rich, if I'm correct. I'll try to link the book in the description box, so kindly check that one. I highly recommend you read that book because that book will open your mental eye to the next level. The only thing that will help you with this decision is that you have to read good books. That's the only thing that will help you. So I highly recommend you read good books to be able to educate yourself on entrepreneurship and how money works. Decide you will start with what you have. If there is one mistake you can ever make in your life, is to wait to have everything before pursuing your goals. You know, the thing is, you can't wait to be perfect before you start. You need to start with what you have at where you are and begin to pursue your goals vigorously. Anything you need to be successful will come to you. This does not mean you cannot fail. There is no failure. A failure is a person who has never tried anything new. I strongly believe that if a person is serious about his dream, he will get a means to get started with it. Now, let's look at something here. It may seem funny, but now, let's look at something here. If you want to be a YouTuber, but not having the expensive cameras, tripods, and so on, probably you have a smartphone, which you can get started with it and perfect later. You see, you don't wait to get everything done, because you don't wait to, though you should never underestimate perfectionism, but you don't wait to be perfect before you start. Do not wait to be perfect or have all things done before you chase your dreams this year. Always remember that the beginning is always the difficult part. So when you start or when you begin, you will find things that will help you to facilitate your growth. Decide you will never give up or lose hope until you succeed. This is just to sum everything we said up. But do you know something? Kindly subscribe and hit the like button. Thank you for doing so. Let's continue. This can be one of the toughest decisions to make in your life. You have to decide that you won't give up until you are successful. You must be aware that the success journey is a lonely journey, and it takes only the strong souls who have made up their mind not to be slave to anyone and determined to succeed at all costs to complete that journey. To be able to be successful, you have to know that there will be bad days and good days. You may start a business and the first 5 years you face the bad days. Decide you will never give up until you are successful. Some just started and made it through, but others it must take time. Just work hard and be patient and be more disciplined. You will succeed. Remember, success doesn't happen overnight, so work hard and stay true to yourself. Be aware of pyramid schemes. Some people will come, you know, success always goes with hard work. So do not expect the success journey to be easy, for it has never been easy. Life itself has never been easy, and it will not be easier to anyone. All you need to do is to work hard and be more disciplined, which I have a video in the description box which tells you or guides you on how to build self-discipline. You can check that one out also. Now let's go for the bonus tip I have for you for today, and that is For you to be able to work hard towards your dreams, write them down and read them daily. Reflect, contemplate, and find more ways to get to your destination. Always remember, it's not easy, but it can be done. If you find this video helpful, make sure to subscribe to receive educative videos just like this one. Check in the description box. I've linked my popular videos there, which you can watch and enjoy. Thanks for watching. Au revoir, mes amis.